What is going on, everybody? So obviously this is a surprise. Hey, how's it going? I just honestly decided to just pick up the camera again and start recording. There has been a lot of changes since I stopped recording to now. First and foremost, I have a 7-month-old baby. She's actually 7 months today. I'll obviously introduce her later on. It'll be fun. Another reason I decided to just pick up and start recording again is because I want to see her grow. Thank you those who have stayed and waited for a video. It's finally here. And those who are new, hi. I'll be posting just random vlogs here and there, family oriented or not. Who knows what I'll be doing. I don't know really the direction that it'll go in, but it's a small channel so far, so it can go any which way. Right now we are in a hotel. Fun fact, I actually used to work here at the front desk for a while. So they hooked it up with a nice room. I mean, it's a little outdated with the furniture, but it's really big and spacious. We're actually moving back home. Like, what? We've been here in Germany for 3 years, and I cannot express like how excited I am to move back to Washington. It's like where I grew up and where all my family's at, all my friends and family, and we are gonna drive to Munich, which is a couple hours, and then we are gonna fly from Munich to Chicago, which is around 9 hours or so, and then a 2-hour layover, and from Chicago we're going straight to Seattle. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. Obviously there's a lot of new things going on and a lot of changes, so don't be afraid to ask. You ready?
Yes. We go back home.
We are packing 3 duffel bags, 1 carry-on, a laptop, and 2 backpacks.
Flight United Airlines.
What's going on, everybody? We are finally here at the airport. We're in Munich, actually. It was a 2-hour drive from where we lived to this airport. Natalia did great. She was just sleeping and playing with her toys on the ride here. We're trying to find what terminal to check in at because it's literally like a ghost town here at the airport right now. And I apologize if you can't hear me well. It's necessary to wear a mask because of the whole corona thing. So stay tuned, you guys. You guys, it's so empty. Look, where's Daddy going? are now on our first plane ride to Chicago from Munich. Yeah, baby. She actually got a toy from the flight attendant. The whole staff throughout this whole experience so far has been like amazing. We're very surprised with the great customer service, and we'll probably see you again when we are in Chicago. How do you feel so far?
Good. Ready to be home.
Ready to be home, you guys. You guys, we finally made it to Seattle. Someone is very tired.
Yeah, me.
Was crying on the plane,
Yeah, me. Yeah.
but we made it. Guess who it is? It's Grandma! Grandma! Hi, Mama. Hi!
Hello.
We are finally here.
Yes.